Hello guys, this is Cambridge English teacher Rory from studentlanguages.com. I make video lessons to help English learners, and if you want to see a lot more video lessons like this one, click subscribe below this video. So in this lesson, I quickly want to tell you about a common problem that intermediate and advanced students make, and that is the word another we put with singular countable nouns in English. So for example, I would say another boy, another girl, when I'm talking about one boy or one girl. But other, just other, we use with plural countable nouns. So I would say, for example, other boys or other girls if I'm talking about more than one boy or more than one girl. Okay, so there's a quick bit of advice for you. I hope you found this lesson useful. I'm Cambridge English teacher Rory from studentlanguages.com. If you want to see more videos like this one, don't forget to click subscribe below the video. See you soon guys, take care, bye bye.